Hello, today Akkodis is at Technical Museum in Oslo, where we are hosting 2 workshops for the Tenk Tech Camp. The workshops introduce the girls to hardware and software engineering, where they get to learn about circuits and also build circuits as well. And then there is a software task where they get to program.
It was wonderful seeing the girls being so curious about electronics and coding and daring to try new things that they might be interested in but haven't done before.
It was enjoyable, made tons of friends, and we learned a lot, such as Python and everything.
I think it's about showing the girls that you don't have to look a certain way, you don't have to act a certain way, like certain things to be part of the tech world.
It was really fun, and I learned a lot here.
The tech world isn't just about coding, it's about solving problems, real-world problems. And my takeaway is that we need to do more of this. We need to get more young girls interested in tech, and I want to help motivate the girls getting into tech.
It was fun, I learned new things.
We held 3 workshops yesterday, kind of challenging but also fun and exciting as we learned a lot. I'm quite proud and introduced the girls to tech world.
Engineering a smarter future together.